Hey everyone, this is Ed Kiefer bringing you another Luxe highlight. I am in the Luxe Toy Hauler, a luxury toy hauler. I'm going to give you a brief overview of what we got going on. Things are really progressing. I'm in the garage here. This is the beachfront interior, beautiful cabinetry, all hardwood. This garage has a half bath in it. It's a 14.4 foot garage. Going to the living area here, we have beautiful, huge opposing slides with all of your cabinetry, beautiful L-shaped couch area, entertainment center with fireplace, LG TV, smart TV. Walking in here into the bedroom area, there's your master bath there with a nice tub, fiberglass surround tub, beautiful, excellent cabinetry in the bedroom area. Hey, give us a call at 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com. Have a great day.